Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for my good friend Bobby down in Florida on the RCI 69 Base Plus. Bobby got it ready to go for you, bud. All the audio mods, power mods, etc. Your high cut filter is right here. Your 10 color hertz switch is right there. So let's get to it. R power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Turns down to 5 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability. You decide to run an amp. Up to just shy of 20, about 18. I'll show you average power swing. 58 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. 150 PET. Alright, Bobby, we'll get it out to you, man. It's rocking and rolling. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bum, bum.